Welcome back to today's special video, and this video is about a budget mesh intercom that is called EJEAS Q8. So special thanks to EJEAS for sending me this lovely intercom, and I'll be testing this product in the upcoming days, and I'll share some review about this product. So let's start with the unboxing of this intercom. So the box is very compact. Okay. Let's open this up. Wow, this looks damn premium. You can see that. It reminds me of the Sena premium intercoms that cost a fortune. But trust me, this is a very affordable intercom. Wow. The build it looks damn premium. So along this, you will get a speaker and there's a pair of microphone. So this microphone, this will go with a full face helmet, and there's another microphone set they have given that's very special, uh, care they have taken for the customers. This is for a half face helmet or maybe a motocross helmet or any other kinds of helmets that with an open face. So this will go well with a modular helmet. In the box you also get a mount that you can stick on the side of the helmet. Along with that, there's some extra pair of velcros that you can stick inside the earphone, space made for earphones inside the helmet. Along with that, there's a charging cable, so you can use this to charge this intercom. And there's also a spare clip. This you can actually use it for some helmets that has from the sides you can slide it through, and it will be very easy to install. So overall, I would love to say that this looks damn premium, and we will be testing each and every feature of this intercom soon. So stay tuned, and I'll be updating you on all my social medias. And most importantly, the link to buy this intercom is in the description. And if you have any other queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help you out.